In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open an Word or Excel attachment in Gmail. To begin, open your web browser and go to Gmail. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you are in the inbox where you received the message with the attachment. Once you are signed in, you should be looking at your inbox view where your emails are listed in the center of the screen. Next, scan your inbox for the email you need. In this example, the message does not have a subject line, so it may appear as no subject in the list. That is common when someone sends a quick email without filling in the subject field or when an automated system sends a file. Click directly on that email entry to open it. After you click it, the full message view will load, and you will see the email content along with any attachments included. Now look below the email message for the attachment area. Gmail typically displays attachments as small file tiles with the file name and type. For a Word document, you may see a file ending in .ux. For an Excel spreadsheet, you may see find the attachment you want to open and click on the attachment itself. In the example shown, you will click on the .ux attachment. After you select the attachment, Gmail will open a preview in a new view. This allows you to read the document without leaving Gmail. If it is a Word file, it will open in a Google preview, and if it is an Excel file, it will open in a similar preview format. Give it a moment to load, especially if the file is large or your internet connection is slow. If you do not see the preview right away, wait briefly and avoid clicking repeatedly, since that can open multiple tabs. Once the attachment preview is open, you can review the document content on screen. At this point, you have successfully opened the Word or Excel attachment from within Gmail. And that is all there is to it.